Flying. Flying is the number one feeling that we want to experience. Being free to move, feel the elements, the danger, and discovering new places from the top is just incredible. And it gets even better when you're able to do it without putting yourself in danger. This is why we want to fly drones. They are tiny, they are compact, they are powerful, and allow us to be free like a bird for a short moment. What you're gonna watch is my first year of drone footage flying the DJI Mavic Mini first generation, and I hope that you're gonna like it.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more